Hello, hello guys. Today I will be recording a video about the connection with Redux. So I will be keep going with the application that we were developing in all through all of these tutorials. Let me share the screen. All right. Okay. So in the previous video, we were doing some we were implementing the detail page for the product detail page, which is this one. Yeah, and here I had some changes. I did some changes to the code. So the first change was let me check. Yeah, I think yeah. First, I started to to configure the connection with Redux, which is this one. All of this whole thing is the Redux configuration. It's pretty large and complex, but it's it's not too hard to understand. Here we are importing the navigation helpers, which is a function that of the documentation. Let me check. So the documentation or the React navigation package provides a way to interact with Redux. So let's check the documentation a little bit. Getting started, what to expect, for example, and if you go here to Redux integration, you have some steps or yeah some steps that you have to keep in mind uh, when when binding your application to Redux. And they say that you need to install the React Navigation Redux the helpers. So you need to install that package. But I was wondering, API. Let me check the API. I was wondering. Seasonal navigation, customer to custom navigator, products, overview, screen tracking, table linking, custom Android password. Well, I'm trying to look for the API that they provide. They also provide something called the API. So you can check, for example, you can check this package, but I can't see the page. Access the navigation pro from any component. Closer and next configuration. No. So I think we can go and look for this. We can look for this GitHub repo. Yeah. Reducers and action to implement navigation in React Native application. Okay, and that is the package that I'm using here in this part of navigation helpers. No, it's not the one. Let me check. The navigation Redux helpers. I think it's one of these. Yeah, it's this one. Create bound add listener. Yeah, and create navigation Redux middleware. So we have those packages. And let's check them out. You're using RN experimental navigation. You are using Redux. You don't want to write and rewrite your own actions and reduces from navigation. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to write and rewrite your own actions and reduces for navigation. Yeah. Car navigation, define your car reducer, car stack reducer, and navigation. Initial. Key global index 0 roads application section 0. Okay. Use this reducer navigation. Okay. Reported actions. Looks like it doesn't this in the documentation doesn't say anything about this package, and neither about this one. So that's weird. Yeah. So basically, they say that we need that package. With the package, they are like I don't know, listener. Yeah, and the listener is getting passed to a navigation helpers, which comes from Unreal Navigator package. Yeah, a listener. What else we need here? The splash state, app with navigation state. Okay, app with navigation state. Okay, yeah. So basically, let me check this. Yeah. Basically, we are using those strange packages. Yeah. One is for a listener when creating the Redux, maybe. Create React Navigation Redux middleware. Okay, just this one. And they say that we need to run this before create Redux bound as listener. So we need to create the React Navigation Redux middleware. And we pass the state, the nabs state. What else? And we create the listener for that Redux. And here we just can create a, I don't know why I'm doing this. So let's change this component. Yeah, because we are exporting the component from React, so we can just say component extends from component, and that's all. App Navigator. Here I'm using the App Navigator, and the App Navigator, I created a file called App Navigator, and that App Navigator just has the tab navigator, and inside it has products, which is a stack navigator. This one is all of this. So in the first tab, let me run the application. Okay. So this is the first tab, which is the products tab, and also the cart, which is rendering this component and shopping cart. And this products tab is rendering a stack navigator, which has two pages: the products page and the product detail. So that's basically what I did in this file. Okay, so let's check this out. Yeah, we have this app navigator, which is this one, all this component, and it has the products, which is this one. It has the a cart tab. Yeah, it has two tabs. Yeah, that's basically all what we have here. So within the products tab, we have the product list and the product details. So the product list is this one, this component. And if we click here, for example, this eye, we're going to be redirected to this page, which is the product detail. And here we have the title, the image, some description, small description. And I just added a button here. We can go to that page as well, product detail. Yeah, okay, we can see the changes here. Yeah, I added the button, So it's this one button. We just need to import the button component from React Native and use it here. And here I'm using the navigation function, which comes from props navigation. Yeah, comes from navigation, props navigation here. Yeah, and also I'm destructuring this object to get the product. Yeah, to get the product object from params, uh, which is inside of navigation. Yeah, we can extract the description, the URL, the text, and all those stuff. Yeah, that's basically what I did in this page. So we were talking about the Redux configuration. So this is the app navigation that I did. App navigation. We are exporting it, and here we are importing it. App reducer, Redux reducers. So if we can go to reducers, yeah, we can go to reducers and Redux reducers, Redux reducers. We have an index file here, and within this index file we have a nav reducer, we have a products reducer, a navigation. The nav reducer is importing the navigation, so it's this one. This navigation is the configuration for the reducer that we need to pass here. Let me show you. And reducer, yeah, reducer. Here we are passing the reducer. Yeah, we need when creating the store, we need to pass the app reducer, which is this one, a combined reducers. So I'm combining the nav and the products, and this is a custom reducer, and this is the navigation reducer. So if you are wondering how do I know all this stuff for this configuration, you can just go to the documentation. here. Let me show you. Yeah, here. Here they are doing all of this stuff in just one file, but it doesn't look pretty awesome doing that in that way. So it doesn't look very good. So I just created a reducer for the navigation, and I started doing this thing, the app navigator, and I just imported the app navigator, which is this one, app navigation. Let me check what else. Yeah, this one. And we are initializing the state using this app navigator, and I'm calling the router, and I'm calling the get state for action method. We are just calling again the app navigator routing get action for path and params, and we just say okay, give me the action for path products. Give me that action. So we pass this initial state to the reducer, and we also receive an action here, and we just find out the next state, calling the get the state for action, and we pass the action and the state. Yeah, we return the next stage or state. Okay, what else? What else? Yeah, we have the nav reducer, paradox reducer. Yeah, I think I will leave those comments there. Yeah. So let's close this. Let's close this. Let's close this. Okay. So we have just seen the app navigator and the app reducer. Yeah, the next step was to create a to call this helper, which is Query Navigation Redux middleware. So we are creating a middleware here, and the first parameter is root. I don't know for what. I just saw that in the documentation. They are passing a root and a state. Yeah, state .nav. So they are passing the navigation state, navigations state. What else? They are creating a listener using this create Redux bound app listener and passing this root, which is the same as this one, I guess. Okay, app navigator. Yeah, we just saw the app navigator configuration, and we are passing a navigation. We are passing our custom navigation. And within this navigation, we are just using the app navigation helpers, which comes from Real Navigator package. We're also passing the dispatch prop that we are receiving from the component. So here in this component, we are receiving as prop and dispatch, and also the nav, and we are passing those properties to this function. Also the listener, which is this one, the one that we created with the listener, yeah, with the helper. And what else? We have a app with navigation state, and basically here we are just connecting the this component, this app component with the state, and yeah, we are passing in as props. Yeah, here you can see it. What else? Store. Create a store. Yeah, we can use the create store function from Redux, and we just pass the APP reducer, which is the combine of all reducers. Yeah, which is the file which combine all the reducers for us. And we just pass the apply middleware, which comes from Redux as well. And we are applying a middleware. And the middleware is this one. Okay, yeah. Root app, okay, and we finally just export this root app, which has this provider, which comes from React Redux, yeah. And we're also passing the store that we just created. Yeah, and within this, we're passing the app component, but this app component has been pinned to the Redux store. Yeah, and also it has the app navigator that we're going to use within our application. And yeah, basically that is the configuration that you need to set up for your application. And after that, you just need to go here. I show you. You just need to go to the index.js file. And here we are, it's not this one. App. No, it's not this file. It's this one. Within app. Okay. And yeah, I was doing this, but looks like it is not necessary. So we can remove that code. What else? Root app. We are importing root app from React Navigation, and app will store, which is this file with the configuration that we saw before. What else? Yeah, basically that is what we need to do here. Just import the app will store with the connection to Redux. Yeah, let's save this. Okay, close this. Product this. Let's check the other changes. Okay. Okay, yeah, we didn't see this change. I will explain this. So let me app with the store. Yeah, okay. So here when we are importing the app reducer, we are calling Redux and reducers. So if we go to Redux, reducers, we have a index file. Yeah. And within this index file we are passing products. And yeah, and the value for that key is products reducer. Products reducer is this one. It's our custom reducer that we mentioned before. Yeah, we are importing a constant we create here in constants. I have a file with some constants. In this case, I just have one. Fetch products, okay, that's okay. And I have an initial state, which has the products list, and it's listening this action. Is listening fetch products. And what else? Yeah, we have an array. Yeah, we are mocking an array here with some fake data. Yeah, what else? We are returning a new object with the value that we have in this moment, with the state that we have in this moment, and with the product list and key. Yeah, we are doing a merge. Yeah, here we are merging the default products with the product list and key. We are merging this object with the state. Okay. I think that's yeah, and there is a basic example to start using the the Redux. Let me check what else we have here. So we just saw these products. What else? Navigation, index, the constants. Okay, and this is the action that we call within the component. I created a yeah. I'm triggering the action to check this function. Here, if we go to product list, we're reporting the actions that we are going to use here. So we have products actions, and here we're mapping the actions to the component. Fetch products, state products. Okay, yeah, and here, well, once the component has been mounted, we just trigger the fetch products action, which is the one that we were, yeah, this one, which is the one, this one. Yeah, there is the products action. What else? App will store. Okay, we just saw that. And the button that we added to the product detail, yeah, it is just to go back to the products page. Product list, what else? Yeah, product list. I think I'm going to, let me check something. I think I'm going to let this, and I will make another commit for that. Yeah, here. This part. And what else we did here? Okay, I just added the Real Navigation Redux helper as well. Yeah. Just add the package log. And yeah, this is let me check the tag. Uh, we see the presentation. Let me check. 6, which is this one. Redux integration. Yeah. We can do something like uh, so right now we are in the step 5. Yeah, we are in step 5 tag. So we just need to do a commit for this. So we are going to call it Redux integration. Redux integration. Integration. Yeah, and that's all. What else? Yeah, I think we can commit this. I can just say something like product detail add go to product list button. Let's add that change. Okay, product list. Okay, so within product list, we added a fetch props. Okay, we bind the component with the store and trigger and we remove that file. Okay, that's all. What else? Yeah, I think we can create a. Let me check the repo. Check the repo. This one. Okay, we're in tag 5. Okay, tag 5, and we have 10 commits. And implement product data, implement right column icons. Okay, and we can just create a git tag, git tag 6, git push, origin tags. Yeah, that's all. Now let's refresh this. Tag 6. So right now we have 14 commits. Yeah. Redux integration, add a go to product list button, build the component with the store. Yeah, those were the changes. Those were the changes that we did. What else? Okay, yeah, I think that's all. That's all for this video, I guess. Yeah. Um, yeah, I wanted to check a little bit the navigation Redux. Yeah, because I need something. I want to check something there. So let's go for it. React, Android. Let's see. I want to check the actions that we are receiving when we are navigating through the app. So app navigation, user. I think I have to go into the. I'm going to the reducers navigation. This one. I just want to check something here. I'm going to check the actions that I'm receiving here. Okay. Okay, action. Let's check the console. I think I will leave it like this. Okay. So we are here, and if we refresh, we can see the action type, Redux init, problem or no action, Redux init, action type, fetch products. So it looks like, yeah, right now this navigation is listening, also it's also listening the the actions that we are triggering from other components. For example, in this case, we are triggering the edge products. Yeah. Here we're listening that. Okay, that's cool. Edge products. Edge products. Okay. What else we have here? I think I'm going to check this next state as well. Yeah, I want to see here. Interesting. Next state. roads. We have a road subject with a we had a roads with an array. And we have key products, transition through index and roads, road name and products. This is cool. I think I can do something with this. Yeah, I have an idea. So let me check. Yeah, I have an idea. Roads, key products, is transitioning through roads, road name products. Then we have the ID products. In transition. So we are in transition with products, which is right. And what else? Next step, in transition through products. We also have the card, but the card is not in transition. Okay, yeah, we have the transition is false. Let me check. Roads. Okay, row name products, params. What else we have here? Key. Transition false. I'm not doing a transition. Okay. Action type Redux init. The product is transition through blah 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 blah. Okay. Fetch products. So the product is in transition through. Okay, if we go to the details page, products, navigation, complete transition, key products, action. So that is the action. The action has this type. Key products. Next step. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, and next state. So we have in transition roads, key products in transition. So products is in transition, false. Index 2, roads. The roads that are inside of products. And we have products. And that products params undefined, road name products. So we have the key, we have some params. Okay, params, product, key, yeah. We are passing the we are passing a param, but I'm not sure why this thing is passing the param to the road name products. Because this is the product list road. First the name of this view. Yeah, it's weird. If we see the FTP navigation, we have a product, which is this one. and it's product list. Yeah, product list. We have product detail. And here we are within product detail. But it says that we are, let me check something first. Yeah, we also had an action, navigate. So here we navigate. Yeah, but let me check something before that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think it started here. Action, and it launch a navigation state action. Okay, yeah. Road name and product detail. Params. It has a product. Yeah, it has this parameter, and the next stage is, yeah, action. So we have an action, navigate, road name, product. So we are navigating to product detail. Yeah, that's true. So I was thinking in something, because I need to implement this in real life. I was thinking in navigation. Let's check the reducer. So here basically we are just importing the app navigator, and after that we just call the router and get the state for action. Yeah, we call that action, and we're passing something, which is this one. This, yeah, but this is just for the initial state. But get the state for action. Yeah, next state. So the action is navigation, navigate, and this is what I need to identify this. When I navigate, it looks like it trigger a launch or trigger an action to indicate that we are navigating. So I was wondering. State action. Action. Yeah, action. First action that we are receiving. Okay. And I was thinking in check the products and reducer. Products reducer. Here I wanted to check the action as well. Because if we are within the same store, within the same Redux store, I think we are able, yeah, we are able to check that action as well. Yeah, so let's check the action here, and here I'm going to comment this, and let's check the actions. Okay, fetch product, that's true. If you can see, we are receiving the same actions that we are receiving in the other videos, because we are within the same store. Yeah, that's awesome, because I can do some stuff that I need. Yeah, I can do something about it. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, let me check something. And if I navigate to the details page, I receive an action, and it says navigation, navigate. Road name, yeah, product detail. Yeah, that's awesome. That's what I need. I wanted to see that. That's awesome. Yeah. Okay, that's what's all. I think the next video is going to be about implementing What else? RealmDB. Yeah, I'm going to put in RealmDB, but there is going to be another video. Yeah.